Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn about verbs. What is a verb? A verb is an action word. What is an action? An action is a movement or activity which we do with our body parts. So now let us see some actions through these pictures. If you see the first picture, in this picture, what action the boy is doing? Run. The boy is running. Now see the next picture. Here what is the action going on? Walk. The boy is walking. Now see the next one. Here what is the action? Stand. The boy is standing. Now in this picture, the action is paint. The girl is painting. Now here what rabbit is doing? Sit. Rabbit is sitting. Here the action word is sleep. The boy is sleeping. Now here what is the action going on? Eat. The girl is eating. Here the action is swim. The boy is swimming. Now here the boy is dancing. Dance is the action words. So these are the few actions we have seen through the pictures. Now we will write few action words which we do when we wake up early in the morning till we go to bed. So early in the morning first we wake up. After waking up what we do? We brush our teeth. So brush is the action we do. After brushing what we do? We drink milk or tea. So drink is the next action we do. After drinking what we do? We have a bath. So bath is the next action we do. After bathing what we do? We go to school. And in the school what we do? We read, we write, we play, we dance, we talk to our friends and teachers. And after school again we come back to our house and have a small snack. So what is that? We eat snack. So eat. Eat is the action. After eating what we do? We play. After playing, after that what we do? We write, we read. So these are the actions we do till evening. After that in the night we have the dinner, that is we eat our dinner and then we go to bed, means we sleep. So sleep is the other action we do. So these are the actions we do from morning to till we go to bed. Now here we will see few sentences. In these sentences we have to circle the verb. If you see the first sentence, you eat snacks in the evening. So in this, what is the verb? Eat is the verb. So circle eat. Now see the second sentence, that bird sings every morning. So in this, what is the action word or verb? So sings is the verb. Now see the third one, I go to the park every day. So what is the verb in this? Go. Circle go. The fourth one, the moon shines at night. So in this, what is the verb? Shines. Now see the fifth one, my father drinks tea with his breakfast. So what is the verb in this? Drinks. So circle drinks. Now see this, I work hard. So what is the verb in this? Work. So in this way you can also practice more sentences so that you will get thorough with the verbs. So thanks for watching the video. So please comment it, share it and please do subscribe to the channel for more videos.